Hello everyone, welcome back to our English speaking and listening club. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we have a very interesting and very relevant topic, social media, advantages and disadvantages. Now, social media is something we all use every single day, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Social media has become a part of our daily life. Some people say it's the best invention of modern times, while others say it's destroying our society. So today, let's explore both sides, the good and the bad, of social media. Advantages of social media. 1. Easy communication. Biggest advantage of social media is communication. Years ago, if you wanted to talk to a friend in another country, it was very expensive and slow. But now, with just one click, you can send a message, make a video call, or share pictures instantly. Social media has truly made the world a global village. 2. Staying informed. Through social media, we can stay updated about the latest news, trends, and events, whether it's sports, politics, technology, or entertainment. Information spreads faster than ever. For example, during emergencies or natural disasters, people often get updates first from social media. 3. Educational benefits. Social media is not just for entertainment. There are thousands of pages, channels, and groups dedicated to learning. You can find tutorials, courses, and even online teachers. Platforms like YouTube have made education free and accessible to millions. 4. Business and marketing. For businesses, social media is a golden opportunity. Small businesses and startups can reach customers directly through Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube without spending huge amounts of money on advertising. Many people have built careers and income streams just by using social media smartly. 5. Creativity and self-expression. Social media gives everyone a platform to share their talents. Whether you love singing, dancing, writing, photography, or even cooking, you can showcase your creativity and reach a global audience. Many artists became famous only because they shared their work on social media. 6. Building community. Great advantage is connecting with like-minded people. Whatever your hobby or interest, fitness, books, technology, or gaming, you can find communities on social media where people support and inspire each other. 7. Entertainment and relaxation. Of course, let's not forget entertainment. Social media is full of fun content, memes, videos, stories, and music. After a long day, many people relax by scrolling through their feeds or watching short videos. Disadvantage of social media. No, let's also look at the negative side, because just like a coin, social media has two sides. 1. Addiction. One of the biggest problems is addiction. Many people spend hours scrolling on TikTok or Instagram without realizing how much time they are wasting. Instead of being productive, they lose focus on their studies, jobs, or personal life. 2. Mental health issue. Studies have shown that spending too much time on social media can affect mental health. People start comparing their lives to others, which leads to jealousy, stress, and even depression. Remember, what you see online is often not reality, it's just a highlight reel. 3. Cyberbullying. Social media also allows negative behavior. Cyberbullying, online harassment, and hateful comments are very common. Many young people suffer emotionally because of online abuse. 4. Privacy concerns. When you share too much information on social media, you risk losing your privacy. Hackers and scammers can misuse your personal data, photos, or even bank details. Once something is posted online, it's very difficult to completely erase it. 5. Spread of fake news. Another serious disadvantage is the spread of misinformation. Fake news, rumors, and wrong information travel faster on social media than the truth. Many people believe everything they read online without checking facts. This can cause confusion and even danger in society. 6. Decreased real-life interaction. Before social media, people used to spend more time talking face-to-face, but now many people prefer chatting online instead of meeting in person. This reduces real human connection and sometimes weakens relationships. 7. Negative impact on studies and work. For students, social media can be a big distraction. Instead of focusing on homework or studies, many spend hours on reels or games. Similarly, employees lose productivity at work when they keep checking their phones during office hours. Balanced view. Is social media good or bad? So, is social media good or bad? The answer is, it depends on how you use it. Social media is like a knife in the hands of a chef. It can prepare delicious food. In the wrong hands, it can be dangerous. Similarly, if you use social media wisely, it is powerful and helpful. But if you misuse it or let it control you, it can harm your life. Tips for using social media wisely. Here are a few simple tips to get the best out of social media without falling into its traps. Limit your screen time. Don't waste hours scrolling. Follow educational and positive pages. Learn something new. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different. Think before you post. Protect your privacy. Verify news before sharing. Don't spread fake information. Balance online and offline life. Spend time with family and friends in the real world too. Conclusion. So friends, social media is one of the most powerful tools of our generation. It has countless advantages: communication, education, business, and entertainment. But it also has disadvantages: addiction, mental health issues, and privacy risks. The choice is yours. Use social media as a tool, not as a trap. Control it. Don't let it control you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English-speaking topics and discussions. See you in the next video. Until then, stay positive, stay productive, and use social media wisely.